Hello students, welcome you all guys, welcome you all to CAT YouTube channel. I am Ankit Sharma and we are going to solve this question from CAT 2022 guys. Let's read the question first guys. Let A be the largest positive integer that divides all the numbers of the form 3 to the power k plus 4 to the power k plus 5 to the power k, and B be the largest positive integer that divides all the numbers of the form 4 to the power k plus 3 into 4 to the power k plus 4 to the power k plus 2, where k is any positive integer, then A plus B equal to what beta? So first of all guys, the first form is this. The largest positive integer that will be able to divide this expression will be A. So let's write these values beta. 3 to the power k plus 4 to the power k plus 5 to the power k. If I put k equal to any value guys, first of all k is positive integer, where k is what beta? Where k is any positive integer. Okay, so k cannot be in fraction 1.2, 1.3. K will be only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. K will be only natural number. Now guys, do you agree with me guys? Odd number is to the power any number. Odd number is to the power any number will give you odd value. Odd number is to the power odd value will always give odd or even. In both the cases you will get odd values. Yes or no guys? 4 is an even number. We know that also, that even is to the power any number. Odd or even, that will surely give you what? Even value only. Very basic concept it is. We all know, like we don't need to remember this. Na? This is very basic thing. Do 3 square, odd number is to the power even, we are getting 9, odd value. Do 3 cube, odd is to the power odd, we are getting 27, that is odd value. Yes or no? Similarly, do 2 is to the power 4, sorry, even value, 16. 2 is to the power 3, it means even number is to the power odd, that is also even value. That's why guys, the final value will be odd or even. It depends on the base. Okay students, if base is odd, odd is to the power any number will give you odd value, even is to the power any natural number will give you even value. That's it. So this value will be odd for sure, this value will be even for sure, and because 5 is also an odd number is to the power any number will give me odd number only. So do you agree with me guys? Odd plus odd, we know that also, odd plus odd will be equal to what guys? Even number. 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 11, 16. Yes or no guys? So odd plus odd will be even only, and it is quite obvious even plus even will be even. That's it. So if I add these two values, it will be odd plus odd even, and if I add even value plus even value, the final value will be equal to even only. So it is guaranteed that it will be an even number. If I put any value of k guys, any positive integer, it will always give me even value. But if it is giving even value beta, it doesn't mean it will be multiple of only 2. It can be multiple of 4 as well, it can be multiple of 6 as well, it can be multiple of 8 as well, 16 as well, 32 as well, and so on up to infinite. Are you getting my point? So how we can identify the largest number that can divide 3 to the power k plus 4 to the power k plus 5 to the power k? So now you will say what beta? Just check the values. I hope up to this point we all are clear that this value will always be an even number. Even number. So if I put k equal to 1 guys, if I put k equal to 1, when I am putting k equal to 1 guys, we will get 3 plus 4 plus 5. Answer we are getting 12. It is multiple of 4. So can I take a equal to 4? No. The one more value is possible. One more value is possible beta. That is what guys? Not k equal to 4. A equal to 4. I have told about what beta? The largest positive integer. So can I assume the largest positive integer that can divide this expression always is 4? No. Why guys? Because if I put k equal to 2 guys, what I will get? 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square, and that will be equal to 50 guys. And this 50 is divisible by 2 only, it is not divisible by 4. And we are damn sure all the numbers are divisible, all the numbers are even, and one of the number we have got 50, which is divisible by 2 only. So 2 is the largest number that can divide all the numbers. Are you getting my point? Which are in the form, which are in this form. So the value of a is what beta? 2. 2 is the largest number that can divide this expression always. I hope it is crystal clear to you guys. The next is what guys? 4 is to the power k. 4 is to the power k plus 3 into 4 is to the power k plus 4 is to the power k plus 2. Just check this if I am not wrong. 4 is to the power k plus 3 into 4 is to the power k. Now guys, it is 4 is to the power k first of all. 4 is to the power k. So if I take what is common here beta, first of all please let me know what is common here. So you will say 4 is to the power k will be common. We have discussed these methods in our concept classes guys. Okay, so if I take 4 is to the power k common guys, it will be 1 plus 3 plus, if I am taking 4 is to the power k common, k plus 2 minus k, powers will get subtract for sure, so it will be 4 square. Students, do you agree with me? 4 is to the power k, where k is a natural number, k is a positive integer, and this will remain always 20 guys. 4 square plus 3 plus 1. So 4 is to the power k will always be multiple of 4, yes or no guys? 4 is to the power k, where k is a natural number, will it always be multiple of 4 guys? Yes, definitely sir. If it is always multiple of 4 guys, then 20 is constant here. So ultimately the final value of this expression that we are getting must be multiple of 80, yes or no guys? Must be multiple of 80. So the largest positive integer that can divide this expression is 80 guys. So the value of b is nothing but 80. And now the value is what beta? A plus b is what guys? Put k equal to 1. Put k equal to 1, you will get 80 guys. So 80 is the largest possible number that can divide, because if I put k equal to 2 guys, we will get 320. But 320 cannot divide 80. That's why the largest possible value that can divide this number is 80 only. So that's why guys, a plus b will become what beta? The value of a was 2 and the value of 80 is, so value of b is 80. So that's why the maximum sum is what beta? 82 only. I hope it is crystal clear to you guys. So this is how we are going to solve these kind of questions. Be ready for these kind of questions guys. Spontaneous question, you have to think at the spot beta. Okay, so I hope it is crystal clear to you. We are going to meet you in the next class beta with some more amazing questions and concepts. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you so much guys.